Hey gamers! Stop what you're doing right now. The future of gaming just dropped and it's massive. Samsung's 2025 Odyssey lineup, the Odyssey 3D, OLED G8, and G9 are now up for pre-order. And if you move fast, you can score up to $300 in Samsung credit. But here's the kicker, this deal won't last. Ready to level up your setup? Let's dive in. These aren't just monitors, they're a full-on gaming revolution. First up, the Odyssey 3D. Glasses-free 3D visuals that put you straight into the action. Then there's the Odyssey OLED G8 with insane color pop and zero burn-in worries. And the Odyssey G9, an ultra-wide beast for total immersion. Samsung's been crushing it as the #1 monitor and gaming monitor brand in the US for 3 years straight, and the #1 OLED gaming monitor brand too. These bad boys are why. Here's the deal. Pre-orders just opened today on Samsung.com and select retailers, and they come with perks. You're not just getting early access, you're getting a front row seat to next-gen gaming before anyone else. Plus, that $300 Samsung credit, that's cash you can throw at games, gear, or whatever you want. David Phelps, Samsung's display boss, said it best. This isn't just a monitor, it's the future of gaming. But heads up, this pre-order window is limited. Once it's gone, it's gone. Let's break it down real quick. The Odyssey 3D is your ticket to mind-blowing depth, no clunky glasses needed. Think popping headshots in FPS or exploring open worlds like you're really there. The OLED G8 is all about that crisp, vibrant picture, perfect for competitive play or cinematic vibes. And the G9, it's a curved, ultra-wide monster, ideal for multitasking or losing yourself in massive battles. Whatever your style, there's an Odyssey for you. Check the reserve release on Samsung.com for the full specs. Trust me, they're wild. Samsung's not new to this. They've been the top dog in monitors for years. 3 years as the #1 monitor brand, #1 gaming monitor brand, and now dominating the OLED game too. Why? Because they keep pushing the limits. These 2025 Odysseys are proof. Cutting-edge tech, killer design, and performance that'll make your old setup jealous. Whether you're a casual player or a pro, this is the upgrade you've been waiting for. So what are you waiting for next? Pre-orders are live right now, but they won't be forever. Head to Samsung.com/monitor pre-order to lock in your Odyssey 3D, OLED G8 or G9, and don't sleep on the $300 credit. Be the first to unbox the next phase of gaming. Hit that link in the description, pre-order today, and get ready to game like never before. Availability is limited, so move fast. Alright fam, that's the scoop on Samsung's 2025 Odyssey lineup. Drop a comment. Which one's your pick?